Hello, how are you? I hope you are all well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are going to start the one more video about brush tool. Yes, in the last video we saw about brush tool, but we see the sub points of brush tool, like I am showing the panel of brush tool. So in the last video we saw calligraphy brush, scatter brush. Now in this video we are going to repeat art brush and pattern brush. I also described bristle brush. You can see the video link in iDrop. So we are going to start the art brush. For this we must have a shape, so I am going to create a shape. I am going to make a triangle. Shift Alt and reduce the size. I am going to group it and just I am going to here line panel is this one. So I am going to align this center align, just this, okay, and paste here. Now the art brush has opened, so just click on it and just okay. So this is the setting of art brush tool. This is default by Adobe. Stretch to fit stroke length, just okay, and please must see your anchor point is according to your brush, just okay. Yes, you can see. But one thing, if I make a long line, then these points are also stretched. So we are going to adjust this. Just double click on your brush and come here. Scale proportionally mean your width, your height change both same. Now just default stretch to fit stroke length, and this one is stretch between guides, mean these points is going to stretch, and this point and these points are not stretching. So I am going to here, you can see the preview, yes, and I am going to here, okay, apply to stop, yes, this one. Just now you can see. So see these settings, don't do this upside and bottom side. I am not doing this here. So this is the settings of art brush. So I am going to the next brush. Just one is pattern brush. So first I am going to make a pattern, then you can see. Here just I am going to stretch a line. Just go to effect, distort, transform and zigzag. Yes, this okay. And adjust it. Yes, now I am going to add more things like a sort and make it a copy. And here I am going to create rectangle tool and decrease the size. Alt shift and paste here. Just blend it, make, and here I am going to giving blending option, specified steps. You can even increase and you can decrease. So I am going to just okay. Make a copy of it and just transform, reflect, vertical and okay. And here I am going to make a flower. You can control these points from the handle like I am doing. You can see, yes, just transform, reflect, vertical and make it copy and adjust here. And go to edit, copy and paste in front. You can press also Ctrl F just and rotate the group it, Ctrl G and reduce the size of this. And this one I am going to adjust here. Press Alt and make it copy just adjust this. Now I am going to expand here. Expand appearance. Now group this. Ctrl G and select this, and here come here, see shape builder tool, just click on it, and if you want to combine you can press here, but I am not here to combine. Just alt and see the circle in minus and press here. This one is so I am going to delete it, and same here. I am going to just pattern brush, okay, and just done. Yes, you can see how much beautiful your pattern. You can make more and more things in the pattern brush. If I make a here one more things, 1.423 and rotate here. Yes, I am going to take it copy. Just copy and paste in front, but reduce the size. And make it copy and paste in front and reduce the size and change the color. Yes, this one is also I am going to paste here on pattern brush. Just okay, and here I am going to add one more circle. Just click on it, you can see. Yes, I am. Yes, you can see how much beautiful pattern I am making. So we are going to stop here. Please like, subscribe and share. I hope you will enjoy it. So thank you and thanks for this.